Good afternoon. We will be presenting our selected country, Mozambique. The life expectancy of people in Mozambique is average because of HIV or AIDS. The highest rates within the country occur within Sofala, a central province with a rate of 26.5%. Rate disparities are attributed to numerous factors such as population displacement after the Mozambican Civil War, ease of access to various regional provinces, similarities in health facilities, presence of groups with high risk of HIV infection in certain provinces, and similarities in social, cultural, economic, and educational levels that might impact the degree to which individuals are informed about the methods for transmission and prevention of HIV. The reason they have low education expectancy is because primary school is mandatory for children, but secondary school is not. In fact, there are only 82 secondary schools in the country. Poverty is a big contributor to the standards of education, as many children aged 14 must work rather than go to school. The children have to earn money for their families since resources can be spread so thin. Girls tend to drop out of school at a young age to get married and start families of their own.
The reason why the Mozambique GNI index is low is because there was a civil war and many people were killed in the war and their economy went down and many people experienced poverty. After the civil war, they had the development in their economic growth. It increased by 1%, but they are still one of the poorest country in the world. The interesting things I discovered about Mozambique is their beaches are beautiful because of clear water and beautiful views. Thank you for listening.